There we go. Almost made the mistake again, dear friends. I wish you a fantastic Sunday. It's the 12th of September 2021. It's 13 past 5, so markets are still closed. But that gives me the opportunity to explain a few things once more. For some of you, that could be repetition. But anyways, so let's take this euro dollar for our chart. And let's go through some information. Let me see. One here. Okay. So I'm just copy pasting a screenshot here. That's it. All right. So let's do a little exercise right here. Okay. Obviously, we see only the current stops on the left side of the y-axis and the current positions on the right side of the y-axis. And here, at all these points, we saw the information at that point in time. As we know, it's leading information. Yeah, so we see here what will happen next. Remember, this histogram shows the current dumb money positions in the market and at which prices they sold, red bars, or bought, green bars. This histogram also shows you the dumb money positions which were in the market, which are now kicked out. Okay, so that allows you also to see who was placed how at which point in time. So let's do our fundamental exercise. Let's analyze the position hunts, which were done. So what's this? Yes, you can see it yourself here. These are the dumb money bias. Yeah. Dumb money bias. I tried to buy the market. And what happened? Boom. Smart money, as a result of all this, pushed the market down against them, yeah? What happens then? They kicked out the main stops, pull back, they retested the low, fake support, boom. Stop hunt, yeah? You can even see it now on the chart that they did the stop hunt, they took out those big stops. Which at that point we see live, of course. We see the big orange stops, the medium term stops which are taken. What happens then? The dumb money does a dumb money switch and goes short. Okay? You see the first here and they're still in the market at a big loss. Yeah? And here you see the historic ones, okay? These are just the live ones, as explained. The dumb money sellers, or shorties as we call them, yeah? Selling the market. So what happens in response to that? Smart money does a big up move and kills all these dumb money sellers. So first killed the longies, then killed the sellers. What happens then? The same thing. Okay. Again, I'm going to switch from shorties to longies. You get the idea. So what happens? Excuse me. Dumb money switch, post stop hunt, 2-3 pins, boom. Stop hunt down against the longies. As simple as that. And you can continue this exercise. Okay, so what is the current situation right now? So this is the stops of the dumb money longies, the medium term stops, MTS. Yeah. This down here are the medium-term stops of the money shorties. This orange line, okay? This can be eventual targets. So here the stops of the shorties, here the stops of the longies. Okay, no rocket science. Okay, so what else do we see? We see far away from the price, but they're still here. See long-term stops. Okay. LTS, long-term stops, which can be targets eventually, but they're far away now. We see also some long-term stops up here from the dummy shorties. Okay. So long-term stops, medium-term stops, dummy positions, and here on the y-axis we see all these dummy positions. Okay. It's no coincidence that the price is right at this level. Why? Because above the price we have all these longies. Below the price we have all these shorties. So we already know that no matter what will happen, if they want the lower stop, they may take it, but they quickly go up again in order to not make any shorties win. And we already see that the upper one seems to be quite far away. They would need to let a lot of longies win. So the base case is like some kind of down move first, you know, but that's not enough for a trade, obviously. Okay, but let me show you once again all the information you see. So, okay, pay attention to this. Here, these green positions. Yeah, all of those. They are the dumb money longies, okay? Okay, now the red positions right here or here, for example, yeah, like here or here on the y-axis, yes, they are the money shorties, okay, the dumb money sellers, okay, DM shorties, DM sellers. Come on, it's not rocket science. Right? So, as you can see, yeah, even in just on a single 4-hour chart screenshot, you can see the current dumb money positions, the sellers and buyers. The previous ones even on top, the historical ones, is accumulated. Where are the next stops? Where are the next dumb money positions? That alone allows you to analyze what will happen next. Okay? Stay safe.